Good morning, children. How are you? Are you doing good? Well, let's begin today's class with the worksheet. So, all of you keep your books in front of you, keep the books, and let's begin this class, right? Okay. So, take page number 13. We have already learned about rainbow, isn't it? Yes. And you know how many colors are there? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Which is the first alphabet given here? Let's check, and that's the color we have to find. Just read out the alphabets given here. V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. Right? Okay. Now what's V stands for? Which color? Yes, violet. So how do you spell violet? V-I-O-violet. How do you spell? V-I-O-L-E-T. Should I write it down? Yes, I shall. V. Here V stands for violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Alright. What's the next letter? Yes, I. I stands for INSEE, but not here. Here you have to write the color. I. I stands for indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Indigo means the dark blue color is called the indigo. Indigo is a deep blue color, that is called indigo. Next one, B. B means blue. Maybe it can be this blue or lighter blue. B for blue. B. B-L-U-E. Blue. What's the spelling of blue? Yes, B-I-L-U is blue. Okay. What's the next one? It's green. G. Yes. The next letter is green. G-R-E-E-N is green. The next letter is Y. Which color stands for Y? Yellow. Yes. Let's write that. Y-E-L-L-O-W is yellow. Now, the next letter comes as orange. Which color stands for O? Yes, orange. So, let's write O and then write O-R-A-N-G-E is orange. Next is R. Which color stands for R? Yes, red. So let's write here R-E-D, red. Now let's have a look at these colors and just read out these words. Okay, 1 second, let me take my scale. Alright. V for violet, I indigo, B blue, G for green, and Y yellow, O for orange, and R for red. Okay, so you finished writing? Write neatly. Right. Okay. Now we have to fill in that gap. There are dash colors in the rainbow. There are dash colors. How many colors did we write here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what should you write there? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. How do you spell 7? Yes. S-E-V-E-N is 7. Right. Next one is very interesting one. Just got to think and write. Make word chain of 6 words. One is already done there. The first letter is given there, fast. Fast means speed. Fast. And the last letter is T. Last letter is T. Just write it here on the board if you want. Okay. The word given there is fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Now the last letter, that is T. Now you have to make a word with T. You have to make a word with T. So let's give here, it's given task. T-A-S-K, task. T-A-S-K, task. Now what is the last letter given there? Yes, the last letter is given there is K. Now you have to take that letter. You have to take the last letter and make an other word. Here it is given kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Now the last letter again, here it is what? E. So you can make a word with E. You have to take the last letters and make words. Isn't it interesting? Yes, you can make a lot of words like that. Now you can make the word as elephant. E-L-A-P-H-A-N-T. Now what is the last letter there? Yes, the last letter is T. Here it is given toad. T-O-A-D, toad. Toad means small child. Okay. Now here the last letter is D. Here it is given dog. D-O-G, dog. Last letter is G. Is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. So when you write, you have to put arrow and write. Like this arrow. Then again an arrow. You know what is arrow? This is called an arrow. Okay. So when you form the words, you have to take the last letter and form the word and then put an arrow. So let's clean the board now. So I showed you what is arrow. So once again, look, this is called an arrow. This is called an arrow. The next one is violet. The word is given as violet. So let's write it down. Can you see? Yeah. V-I-O-L-E-T is violet. Now, which is the last letter given here? Yes, T. Its last letter is given here, T. So let's take the word tree. T-R-E-E, tree. The last letter is E. Put an arrow. You can write egg. E-G-G, egg. What's the last letter? G. G. Gum. Gum means which you paste on something to stick to each other. That is called gum. Inside your mouth, which the teeth is fixed on to the gum. That's also called the gum. Same spelling. G-U-M, gum. What's the last letter? M. So take the last letter, we'll write mother. M-O-T-H-E-R is mother. Now the last letter, what is the last letter? R. You can write road. How many words it is asked to write? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, you have to write 2 more. Here you have to find place and fit it in here, okay? So write it neatly and put the arrow little smaller. Don't make it very big. See, otherwise it will happen like this. You won't get space. So let's come to the next one. Yes, what did I say? R for what I say? Did I say anything? You can write rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now the last letter is T. You can write tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. So this is how you form word chain. Take the last letter and form words. Instead of writing the names of fruits or animals, you can build words, other words if you know. So you will build up better vocabulary, right? Now we are coming to the next word, pretty. Pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. So the last letter is Y. What letter can you make? What word can you make? Yes, you can make. Yes, yell. Yell means to scream. Okay, we'll write here. Pretty. I'm writing little this side so that you'll get placed. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Now, I'm forming a word with Y. Yell. Y-E-L-L is yell. L means to scream. Now, the last letter is L. We write leap. L-E-A-P, leap. Leap means to take a long jump. Usually, who leaps? The frog leaps. Yes. L-E-A-P, leap. Now the last letter is P. We'll write pray. P-R-A-Y, pray. Pray means what? Yes, worshipping God. Asking your needs. You're submitting your problems to God. That is pray. Now the last letter again here it is Y. So let us, I think I make the arrow little more smaller. My arrow is becoming big, so I won't get space. I put a small year. Yeah. Now Y, year, Y-E-A-R, 365 days make an year. So Y-E-A-R is year. Now the last letter is R. So let us find another word. Yes, you can say road, R-O-A-D, road, R-O-A-D, road. Last letter is D. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last letter is, let us see what you can write here. Here, drum. You will write drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. Okay, drum. Big barrel like thing, that is called the drum. So let's turn the page. Page number 14. Are you writing neatly? You must write neatly. See to the strokes of the letter. Middle strokes should come only the little raise the line and write upward. It has to go little more higher than the middle letter, and the downward stroke should come down the line. So keep all this in mind and write it neatly. Next one is gown. What is gown? Gown means dress. Especially after the bath, what you just drape onto your body. Drape means put it onto your body. That is called the gown. Or long dress also is known as gown. G-O-W-N. Let's write that. G-O-W-N. Now look here, you don't have to write the same words. If you can write different words, you can always do that. So you will learn more words. Okay, I'm only just giving you an example. If you like to change the words, you've got all the freedom to do that. Okay, gown. Now I'm going to write the letter I'm going to take is now N, and I'm going to write a noun, N-O-U-N, noun, naming word, isn't it? You have learned noun, naming word. Now again it is N. Here I'm going to write new, N-E-W, new. New means which is fresh or you're not touched. New dress which you're not worn, new. Now here the last letter is W. Why don't we write wing? The birds have wings. They do use the wings to fly. So here we write your wings. W-I-N-G, wing. Okay. Now the last letter is G. Think of one word. I got one word. Grass. Yes. G-R-A-S-S. G-R-A-S-S is grass. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you have to write 2 more. S is the last letter. What do you write there? Salt. We usually use salt for our food which is cooked. Yes. S-A-L-T, salt. Now again the letter is T. Think a word of T. Tin. Tin. Yes. T-I-N, tin. So we completed 6 words. The next one is line. You must see that you don't repeat the words in each one. Okay. For the exams, if you have, you should not repeat the word. See, in this, we have written words here. In this, we have not repeated any words. So you should not repeat the words in word chain. Right. Let us write. The next one is line. Yes, L-I-N-E, line. L-I-N-E, line. So the last letter is E. Think of a word I. You can write I. E-Y-E, I. That is the organ which we see with or look with. I. Again the letter is E. Think of a word. Yes, effect. Effect. E-F-F-E-C-T. Effect. Now the letter is T again. So think of a word. Quickly you must say, okay. Thin. Yes, T-H-I-N. Thin. Thin means opposite of fat is Thin, yeah. N is the last word, last letter. Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Now T is the last letter. Think of a word immediately. Tan, tan means dark color. When you go out in the sun, your skin becomes brown. That is called tan. T-A-N, tan. Now, N is come again. Nice. N-I-C-E, nice. N-I-C-E, nice. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already. So, you don't have to write again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So, this is the way we make word chain. Again, one more there is fairy. F-A-I-R-Y, fairy. Let's complete that. Fairy, F-A-I-R-Y, fairy. Now the last letter is Y here. Yolk. Yolk. You find, what is it? Yeah, there are two yolks, Y-O-L-K yolk and Y-O-K-E yolk. See, the first one is Y-O-K-E yolk is, what is it? Do you know? Both sounds alike. It's like a rhyming word. One is the yellow of the egg. The other one, two bullocks will be kept either sides and pole will be kept there and the thing is tied onto their neck. That is also called yoke. Okay, let's write here. Y-O-K-E, yoke. That is what the animal, they put the pole and tie it on. Yoke. E. E is the last word. Sorry, E is the last letter. What can you write there? E. I told you not to repeat the words here. So think of a word and tell me what to write. Yes, we'll write here. Elephant is not come anyway here. We'll write the word elephant. E. Oh no, already elephant is come in the first place. So we don't have to write the elephant. Already on the first line it is come. E. We write ego. Ego means it's a feeling which you have. Ego means like somebody do something you may not like. Oh, some problem you have a feeling, that is called ego. Okay. Now it is orange. No, sorry, O. O we use it as orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Again E is come, okay. So we'll think for a word. Every, E-V-E-R-Y, every. Y. Did we write ear anyway here? Let us check. Y-E-A-R, ear, yes. Ear also is already there. So think of another word. Yo-yo. Yo-yo is a thing which you throw and play. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Okay. Now, O. Again it is O. Orange is written, so you cannot write again. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write one more word. O. Out. O-U-T. Out. O-U-T. Out. Already 6 words. Okay. So, will you do it neatly? Yes, you should do it neatly. Now, let's come to the next one. In the word of grid given below, find the words that rhyme with the words given in the cloud. This is the cloud which is given here. See, this is the shape of a cloud and the words are given here. And this is called the grid. What you have to find from here? The words that rhyme. Rhyme means same sound. That you have to circle it. So let's see. Its first one is fairy, crow, deer, sky, day, talk, mother. These are the words which is given there. I think I'll come back with the next video. Just halt there, wait there.